Ladies and gentlemen.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the new and the live version of ChatGPT, that is ChatGPT 4o. So in ChatGPT 4o, O stands for Omni. And this is basically made to increase your productivity and creativity. So let me tell you what are the features of ChatGPT 4o and how you can access it and who can access it. So ChatGPT 4 is faster than you can think. It is smarter than ChatGPT existing 4 version as well. So yes, it is good to go and it is really useful. Let me tell you about few more features about ChatGPT. So another question arises that who can access ChatGPT 4o? So the answer is everyone can access. If you are the free users, then yes, you can access it. If you are the plus user and you have the subscription of ChatGPT 4 version, then yes, you can access it. But there are some limitations within that you have to work. So if you are a free user, then you will be aware with certain limitation, that is the messages cap. It means you will be given a certain limit for the messages. If that messages limits reaches, your ongoing conversation will be shifted to the ChatGPT 3.5 version. And if you are the plus users, then obviously you have the subscription, you can enjoy all the features of ChatGPT. If you are the plus users, then you will get the 5x of the current one. So whatever you are getting right now in the message cap, you are going to get the 5x of that particular message cap of ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the new features of ChatGPT that is accessible to the free users. Free, obviously you all are going to use it for free. Even I am using it for free. I am not using any of the plus subscriptions. So the very first feature is the GPT level intelligence, GPT 4 level intelligence. It is giving a competition to the ChatGPT 4 version. ChatGPT 4o is giving competition to the intelligence level of ChatGPT 4. It means it is really competitive. If I talk about the next feature that ChatGPT has is the web access. Now you are not limited to the limited data that ChatGPT is trained on. Now you can ask ChatGPT about the current data because it has the web access. It means all the websites you can ask about it. You can ask about the latest data as well. And the third feature is the data analysis and visualization. Now ChatGPT is ready and you can provide the data set and you can ask your ChatGPT to make analysis and to make the visualizations as well. So data analyst and data scientist, you don't have to worry. It is just a tool to assist you. And the fourth feature is the image conversation. Suppose I have an image and I wanted to know about that image, that what does it say, that which image is this? And I wanted to get some insights from the image. Maybe I have created a graph and I'm not sure what I am able to get the insights from that graph. So I can get that image and will take it to the ChatGPT and ChatGPT is gonna give me the insights from that image. Fifth feature is the file uploads. You can upload your files. You can ask for summarizations. You can ask to generate key points or to generate quiz questions or something similar to this. Another one is the memory feature. So now the ChatGPT is something which is gonna blow your mind because it has a feature of memory intelligence. It means whatever conversation you are going to have with the ChatGPT, ChatGPT is gonna store those information and it's gonna give you the personalized experience when you are using it. It will give you the answers on the basis of what you had in the previous conversation or what you had in a month. So that's how cool the ChatGPT is. Now let's talk about more key importance or key features of ChatGPT. If I talk about the users which are free tier with the default to the ChatGPT, have the limitation of the numbers of messages they can send and they can also receive limited access to the messages using the advanced tool. So it means not everybody can do the data analysis and visualization. You will have the message limits. Once that message limit is reached, as I told you, it will be switched to the ChatGPT 3.5. So if you have the message cap of limited, like the number that they are going to provide you, you can easily use the advanced tool, but that would be limited. Let's see if the ChatGPT was compared with the other model, what was the results. So we did analysis. Basically ChatGPT team, OpenAI team did the analysis on the ChatGPT 4o with the other model. So if I talk about the text evaluation, they were testing it on ChatGPT 4o, ChatGPT 4t, ChatGPT 4, Cloud A, Gemini, Gemini Ultra and the Llama as well. So they tested it, and the pink color one is the ChatGPT 4o. You can see it is doing really good. Another was the audio ASR performance. It means related to audio. Now in the ChatGPT, you have an option to upload videos, you upload audios. You can even do the audio search as well. You are talking to the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will help you play games as well. There is one video which is going viral on the Instagram and the social media that there are two persons who are playing the rock paper scissors with the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is guiding the users in the very impressive way, and it's gonna host that particular game as well. So that's the very cool feature in the ChatGPT. Audio performance was also tested, and we found that it's going really good, but not like we need still significant improvement over Whisper one, which is the latest one in the audio ASR, but still it is doing really good in the lower resource line. This was tested in the M3 exam zero shot results as well. So stronger than GPT-4 across all the languages on the multilingual and the visual evaluation. So you can see the blue color one is the ChatGPT-4 and the green color one is the ChatGPT-4o, which is Omni. Another is the vision understanding. If I talk about the vision understanding, that this was tested between two, one ChatGPT-4 and then ChatGPT-4o, and it achieves the state-of-the-art performance on the visual perception benchmark. It means visual understanding is too good. So that's how ChatGPT is playing a role, but you guys need not to worry about your job roles, because all these AI tools are here to assist us. If you will request me to give you the multiple alternatives of ChatGPT, then yes, in today's world there are multiple competitive AI tools, I would say, and you can get scared about like getting worried about the jobs and all, but you need not to do that, because all these are just an assistant for you. You can use this to make your work easier and to just take help from the intern. You do not have to be you do not have to consider them as a proper engineer or a proper analyst or the scientist. No, they are not going to replace you. So I hope you like this video. This consists of all the features of ChatGPT 4o. If you wanted to access it, you can directly go onto the OpenAI websites and go to the try and play ground model, and it will take you to the main area where you can test it, where you can use it. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with the fellow friends. Until the next video, bye bye.